Okay, so we have added colors to our buildings. Now let's add some more 3D objects by using this. Okay, so let's find something cool and we will import to our Unity project. Like we can do this. I think yes, it's great. So let's download this from here. I will show you how you can download this. And let's check if it is have a obj file, because we can uh, import object or Unity objects only. So when you will download, it will have a obj rare and Unity rare. It means we can use it to our Unity. So let's download the Unity file. You can download also obj file, but let's download the Unity file because we are going to use it in the Unity. These objects are used by many designers for animation videos also. So let's open this. I will move this to another folder. Now control, not here. Let's paste here. Now extract this. I think I have already downloaded this. So we get this folder here. We have this Unity package. So let's select this and move to our Unity project. And we will move to this to asset. You can import anywhere you want. So import. It's importing, and we can drag these objects to our scene. Okay, something wrong, I think. What happened? Nothing. So we will have this wooden watchtower. This is the object. So we will import it here. It's look cool. You can import anything. So if we will import this, we cannot import this here. So let's import to the walls, towards walls. And we have done. See, it have you can change its color also, but I don't think you need to change its color. This is the wooden material which it has provided, so it will looks like wood. It's looking like really woods. Okay, that's amazing. So let's add a box collider here. There you go. But you can go upward. If you want to go up,